Pronouns in play. Mastering who, whom, whose. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English grammar and unravel the magic of relative pronouns, particularly focusing on who, whom, and whose. These words are used to connect sentences or phrases, making your English more fluid and natural. Let's get started. Relative pronouns act like the glue in English grammar. They bind sentences together, making our communication clearer and more sophisticated. In this context, we're focusing on who, whom, and whose. The word who is a relative pronoun that we use to refer to the subject of a sentence. It usually relates to people, not things, and is used to identify or ask about a person. Example: the girl who is singing is my friend. Who is the person that called me? Now, let's talk about whom. It sounds formal, and you may not hear it as often in casual conversation, but it's important for formal English and written language. Whom is the object pronoun. Example: the man to whom I sold my car was very pleased. Whom did you see at the party? Note: a simple trick to determine whether to use who or whom is to answer the question with he or him. If he fits, use who. If him fits, use whom. The last pronoun for today is whose. It's a possessive pronoun, which means it's used to indicate ownership or relationships. Example: that's the girl whose voice is absolutely stunning. Whose book is this? So, there you have it. We've just unpacked the meaning and usage of the relative pronouns who, whom, and whose. Keep practicing, and soon these will become second nature to you. We hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more lessons on mastering English grammar. Keep learning and never stop exploring the beauty of language.